In AutoCAD 2020, we introduced a new way of managing blocks with the new Blocks palette. In AutoCAD 2021, we've made improvements to the Blocks palette that make your blocks accessible from anywhere. If your block library and recent blocks are set to a supported cloud storage provider, such as Box, Dropbox, or Microsoft OneDrive, you'll be able to access your blocks across other devices and on the AutoCAD web app. In this drawing, we'll insert a fixture to this office remodel. In the updated palette, you can find, preview, and insert blocks. Select a folder from a cloud storage provider that contains your blocks. Let's add this sync block into the drawing. Let's say later on you're away from your computer and you realize you need to insert a different sync. Even though you don't have access to AutoCAD, you can use the AutoCAD web app from any browser. Just go to web.autocad.com. And since your blocks library is saved on the cloud, you have access to the same block library and recent blocks list from desktop. Let's fix the syncs. First, delete the existing sync. Then, on the Blocks tab, use the block library to add the new sync block into the drawing, just as you would have on desktop. Now that you've fixed the drawing, you can save it. With the new Blocks palette on AutoCAD Desktop and the AutoCAD web app, you'll be connected to your block content anytime, anywhere.